Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So, around 1 week ago, I uploaded a video regarding my DSA with Java course. There was one update that the students who are genuinely interested in this course, genuinely want to learn from me DSA and Java and facing financial difficulties, then they can mail me their case at info@jennyslectures.com, and I'm going to review their case and I'll like do whatever I can do for them. And the response was really like, I was shocked to see the response and the number of mails. Every day we were replying actually 100 mails at least. Such kind of students are there. So I got to know that after watching these many mails that yeah, there are so many students who are genuinely interested in this course, want to join this course, but yeah, facing some financial difficulties. So the offer was valid till 31st of January actually, and today it's 1st of Feb. I'm shooting this video. And today also I got so many mails, and I considered those emails also because of like their situation and their cases. When I read those cases, then I thought let's consider these. So the conclusion is now it's like 9 p.m. and I'm shooting this video right now. So I thought let's extend this offer, and I'm going to extend this offer till 5th February. So tomorrow I'm going to upload this video like 2nd of Feb, and you have 3 more days now. So now if you're serious about learning this DSA and Java from me, if you're genuinely interested and you are seriously facing some financial difficulties, you just mail me at info@jennyslexus.com. I'll review your case and I will like inform you what I can do for you on the mail itself. Okay, I hope it will help so many students. Now, in brief, like why you should consider this code, let me just tell you in brief. First thingly, now I'm going to cover like Java is almost complete, and you can just go to my website and check everything there. If you go to the courses, so you check there, you see here, there I have uploaded these many lectures and videos. So you can go there and you see the videos, PPTs, notes, assignments, quiz, projects as well. You can see. I mean, Java basics, and then everything I have uploaded there. So you can check out. Although you cannot access this if you haven't enrolled, but you can check out if you are like having some confusion that what I'm going to cover here, because I have written here almost every topic what have I covered. On others website you will not see this kind of thing. They will like generally write that okay, complete Java, then DSA, advanced DSA, and that's it. Not the complete detail what they are going to cover in that course, but I have given you the complete detail, the video, PPTs, notes, and everything, what topic I have covered there. And if you want to know about my teaching style, I have uploaded 5 or 6 demo lectures also for this course. So you can go and check out. They are free on my YouTube channel. And then you will get a glimpse of my like teaching style, how I'm teaching. And if you are like, if you think that, yeah, you should go for this, then you buy. Okay. It's not that I'm just saying that this is good for you and buy. No, you just check out yourself. Plus apart from this complete Java, then it is why it is the right time to enroll in this course, because Java is almost complete, and uh in the first week of Feb I'm going to start DSC. So now it is, I guess, the right time to start to enroll in this course if you really want to be good in DSA, and if you have some knowledge of some language like Java or C or C++ or Python, then it would be not tough for you to learn Java. So you can directly maybe start with DSA itself. Okay. Second important thing is every week we conduct one live session, Q&A session actually. So you can directly ask from me whatever your doubts are, and I'm here to help you at every step. Every week you can check out. Let me just show you. There are quizzes, assignments, and notes. You can download the notes and PPTs and all. These are my handwritten notes in detailed form. So you get everything. Now live Q&A session every week. You get like so many live Q&A session. After enrollment only you can get access to this, but right now I'm just showing you. Okay. Next thing is you get access to one dedicated WhatsApp group. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group for those who have enrolled, for enrolled students. So there also you can just ask your doubts in that group from your peer students, and directly to me. Like it's like I'm just one message away from you in that case. So and we are working on the projects as well. Till now we have covered 2 to 3 projects. Okay. Now, so if you are interested, and right now still one offer is going on, gift 15, you can apply that coupon code and you will get extra 15% off. So see, there is a coupon code gift 15, you will get extra 15% off on this price. So don't wait for long, because I'm going to close the enrollments also soon, because Java is almost complete and I'm going to start DSA now. So hurry up. Right now you have two offer. One is like this gift 15, and second is if you are genuinely interested and seriously are facing some financial difficulties, you just mail me at info@jennyslectures.com your case, and I'll review that case and I'll let you know what I can do for you. Okay. So that's it. Now I'll see you in the course. Till then, bye bye. Take care.